Hello everyone. We are Net Digital Service, a company that produces stencils for the electronic industry and screen printing for the automotive industry. We are part of a multinational company with offices in Italy, France and Hungary. We are active on the West Europe market for more than 10 years, some of our biggest clients being Celestica, Plexus, Leonardo Aerospace, Connectronics and many others. As you well know, surface mount technology is a manufacturing technology in which electronic components are mounted directly onto the surface of a printed circuit board, a PCB. In industry, this approach has largely replaced the through-hole technology construction method of fitting components, mainly because SMT allows for increased automation, which reduces costs, increases production rates, and improves quality. Also, the SMT technology allows more components to fit on a certain area, allowing the miniaturization of the plates. In addition, this technology allows the installation of SMD components on both sides of the circuit board. SMD components are mounted on the surface of the board by soldering, and for that process, metal stencils are used in order to apply solder paste. The stencils are usually produced from special stainless steel alloys. The process of depositing the solder paste by using the stencil is a process whose accuracy and quality largely depend on the quality of the finished product. Inaccurate deposit on the surface of boards with miniature and complex wiring can lead to short circuits, incorrect attachment of components to the circuit board, detachment of components if the amount of paste is insufficient, and short circuits between the pins in case of depositing too much paste. Therefore, the quality of the stencils directly affects the quality of the assembled circuit boards. Net Digital Service produces high quality and precision SMT stencils by laser cutting. Nowadays, the laser cutting method is the most widespread, as it has the advantage of obtaining a high precision of the stencil and an improved shape of the aperture walls, which allows optimal deposit of the solder paste on PCBs. Net Digital Service is equipped with LPKF laser cutting machines, considered to be the most accurate and reliable machines of this type on the market. There are several types of SMT stencils, depending on the clamping or the tensioning system. The stencils can use pneumatic tensioning frames, or they can already be tensioned. Those are so-called meshed glue stencils, because they are glued on a tensioned canvas in an aluminum frame. There is a multitude of tension frames on the market, of which the most commonly used are the Vector Guard, Alpha Tetra and Zelflex frames. In addition to these stencils, NDS offers mini stencils, meshed glue stencils, nano-coating treatment, step stencils, and many others. Our company offers stencils made of tension alloy, the world's most advanced SMT stencil foil material, specially developed by Dayton. This type of alloy is superior in quality to PhD and fine gray alloys because it increases print yield, reduces overall print defects, and reduces insufficient paste defects. Lately, due to increasing miniaturization of electronic devices and boards, stepped stencils are being used more and more. A step stencil essentially controls the volume of solder paste deposit on the PCB effectively for both large and small SMT components. Large SMT components require a higher volume of solder paste for good soldering, and a thick stencil is necessary. On the other hand, small SMT components do not need so much solder paste, and a thin stencil offers a better solution. A board with both small and large SMT components requires a combined solution, therefore a step stencil, which has thicker pockets for large components and thinner pockets for small components. NDS offers step stencils produced by CNC milling machines. The micromachining process is a subtracting process similar to the etching process, but no chemicals are used. Compared with the etching-produced step stencils, the milling process produces a surface smoother than the etching process. Thus, the soldering paste has reduced adhesion to the stencil and the required volume of paste is smaller. SMT stencils are produced according with customer specifications based on the documentation sent by them. The production of the stencil starts with the evaluation of the requirements and indications from the clients in order to modify or adapt the graphics. The received Gerber files are then processed so that the modified apertures provide an optimal paste deposit with maximum precision. The final modified design, once approved by the customer, is then uploaded into the production line. In order to have a correct gluing of all components on the board, it's important to have a high precision cut of the apertures and to control if any apertures are missing. NDS recently purchased an optical measuring machine that allows the control and certification of geometric accuracy and compliance of the stencil with the Gerber design. The standard delivery time between 24 and 40 hours maximum, low delivery costs, the best value for money, easy communication and maximum availability of our staff in solving any problems, as well as quality to the highest standards, are just some of the advantages offered to NDS customers. For further information, please feel free to contact us, check our website, or visit us. Thank you for your time.